வணக்கம். நம்ம எங்கே வந்திருக்கோம்னா பெங்களூரில் ஸ்பேஸ் கதக் வந்திருக்கோம் விருந்திராணி அவார்ட்ஸ்க்காக. நம்ம இப்போ யாரை பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா ஸ்ருதி குப்தா கதக் டான்ஸரை பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க போகலாம்.
Namaste, my name is Shruti Gupta. I am a Kathak dancer. I have been a Kathak dancer all my life. I started learning when I was 5 years old. I was initiated by Guru Chitra Didi. I learned at Bharati Vidya Bhavan for a while. I did my junior diploma in Bharati Vidya Bhavan. And then, I don't know, after that there was no looking back. Kathak just went on. I was blessed and I had the opportunity to learn under Guru Maya Didi, where I did my choreography course under her. And now, it so happens that I'm pursuing my PhD under the guidance of Guru Dr. Puru Dadich. My journey in Kathak has been non-stop. It's a calling that has been going on forever, and I'm blessed to be sharing this journey with my own mother. When I was 5 years old and Mama used to take me for classes and wait, she decided instead of spending that 1 hour waiting, why doesn't she join as well? And she joined classes with me and we danced together, and she did her choreography course, and now we're both doing our PhD together. And I have been very, very, very blessed throughout my journey. Currently, I am teaching, I am exploring, I am learning at Space. Mama and I run the academy together and we have a family here now. Apart from that, I think most of you all would know me from Instagram. I started a year-long challenge 2 years back of uploading or creating or producing content for a minute every single day. I did that for a year, yes, 365 days. And then I guess that became such an inbuilt routine that I couldn't stop. And now I'm on my second year-long challenge where I'm creating something from the very scratch. Social media, I feel, is a place where I have committed to deliver, and this commitment, this consistency, this dedication and this persistence has taught me way more than life has taught me in the last 25 years. If I have to pinpoint and tell you, Kathak for the last 2 years has taught me the ways of life. The way I look at my environment, the way I look at flowers, the way I look at rain or clouds or sunlight has all changed because of my art form. And I feel that is true to any classical art form. The depth that it pushes you to explore, the width and depth that classical arts offer is a self-discovery journey. And that, I think, has been my greatest learning doing Kathak.
Dagmado, Shesh चलत शर लड़त भट, चलत शर लड़त भट। चलत शर लड़त भट, चलत शर लड़त भट। कटत बिन मुंड भयो, कटत बिन मुंड भयो। श्रोणित सरिता चलिए, श्रोणित सरिता चलिए। वीर माहे गिर गयो, वीर माहे गिर गयो। कहत मंदोदरी, सुनहु मोरे लंकापति। 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 जीत ना सकोगे, जीत ना सकोगे। राम संग जंग जोरी, राम संग जंग जोरी। राम संग जंग जोरी। हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम।
Thank you so much, Dilasya, for recognizing my efforts, for recognizing the art form, for recognizing the culture that Indian classical arts carry. It is definitely a huge honor, and I am extremely humbled to be here today, to be receiving this award. Thank you so much. I would definitely owe it all to my gurus, to Mama, and to the entire family that is here, that is online, that is overseas. All of you, thank you so much.
AstroVed. We proudly deliver authentic Vedic solutions and remedy services. Become a member of AstroVed today. Witness a positive shift in your life.
Namaste, ma'am. So we all knew you're a very good dancer. So can you just share your experience about your dance journey?
Like I said before, I have been very blessed. I have had all the opportunities in life that has encouraged, that has motivated, that has pushed me to continue pursuing dance. Of course, apart from the formal education that I've received in dance, my bachelor's in choreography, my master's in Kathak, I have had a very supportive family. I remember my dad telling me in 8th standard, saying, don't study anymore. Just drop out of school and pursue dance throughout your life. Of course, thank God I didn't listen to him and I completed my education. But the point being that Mom, Dad, my brother at home have always been so supportive about pursuing a career in something that is still getting to a level of seriousness in our society, right? I've also been very blessed to have been trained under gurus from the gharanas, the lineage of Guru Shambhu Maharaj, Guru Maya Didi. Now I'm currently being guided by Guru Puru Dadi, Guru Vibha Didi, and of course my mother at Space. When it comes to accessing the art form, I have been very, very fortunate. When it comes to my own journey, of course, I've had ups and downs. I remember during my teenage years, I left Kathak for 3 years. In fact, I fought at home. I said, I don't want to do classical dance. I want to go to Shamak and learn freestyle and Bollywood. But something happened 2 years later. I was sitting in front of the computer at office working. I was a content writer. And then I decided that I can't sit the whole day. My legs, my hands, my neck is itching to move. And then I came back. And ever since I left and I came back, ever since that disconnect happened, the connection now is only much more stronger. And I think this life for me is all about Kathak.
What do you think about group performance versus solo? What do you prefer?
I would definitely prefer a group performance, considering the energies, the teamwork, the synergies between the dancers that go on stage. But of course, any classical art is also a solo performance art. Kathak in itself is a storytelling art form where one artist takes different roles to narrate a story, right? Ekaharya Abhinaya. So in 1 second I can be Krishna, the next second I can be Duryodhana, the next second I can be Radha or Sita or one of the gopis. So Kathak is a solo performance art. But yes, for me, and right now, currently keeping the situation in mind where that much social interaction is so limited, if I have a chance for a group performance, it will definitely be.
What do you think about the perks of doing an online performance versus on stage?
In fact, we just finished our annual performance at the Academy. 4 days back, we performed on stage. And you're asking me only perks. Very clever. Okay, so the perks of a stage performance is definitely huge. And the very first one being rasa. the objective of an Indian classical art form is so that the abhinaya, the emotion from an artist, is transferred or transmitted to an onlooker or the audience, right? For a live stage performance, I think that is possible, right? Me creating an environment and my audience being engulfed in the same environment is possible through a live performance. The perks of an online performance: no stage nervousness for sure. There's definitely no stage nervousness. Also, I think going online gives you enough time to being more prepared. As in, I have 2 hours of meditation time to get into my character. Whereas maybe if I'm doing a live performance, I'm getting ready and only perks. So that's it.
So, can you tell me about your academia?
Currently, I'm doing my PhD, like I said, under the guidance of Dr. Puru Dadij. What I want to do with Kathak, with my art form, with what I'm pursuing right now, is definitely to continue touching lives in some way. I have seen Maya Didi, I have seen Mama, I have seen Chitra Didi, how they've changed someone's life through the art form, because the art form demands you to delve into a deeper level of consciousness, and that I think is something that I would like to keep doing. It does not have to be Kathak, but for those whose calling is Kathak, I want to be able to help someone discover themselves through.
Vanakkam. This is Raj from the Lasya. We are proud to present this Vrindrani Award to Shruti Gupta, and as a Rasika, we are humbled and honored to present this award to Shruti.
Thank you so much, the Lasya, for this. I think it's huge that an organization is taking efforts to recognize the attempts that we classical dancers are trying. And of course, it is motivating. It's going to motivate me, I think, for the next 1 year to keep creating content, because, like I said, we are tirelessly trying to give back to the artist community time and again, and recognition is a little rare in our field. But for someone to come all the way to travel, I don't know, you all have been traveling for a while, to travel and present these awards is a huge honor. Thank you so much. And of course, the Rasikas, what would we dancers be without our Rasikas, right? At the end of the day, we are performing for you, we are creating for you, we are dancing for you. And the fact that y'all have acknowledged my presence, the fact that y'all voted for me, the fact that y'all recognized me is encouraging, it's motivating, it's overwhelming, and it's definitely going to empower future artists, of course, and push them and urge them to do something, because hey, it's not going to be unrecognized, right? So thank you Lasya, thank you all of you, thank you so much.